I've always loved bike riding. When I lived in America, I wouldn't bike much, mainly because it's more common to simply drive everywhere and I never really made the time or effort for this hobby. Now, I live in Europe, and there are more bikes than cars, and I want an easier way of getting around, faster than walking, but more enjoyable than taking a bus or train, so we looked for an ideal bike. After looking, my fiancé decided he wanted to make it for me himself. It would be more meaningful that way, and we'd be able to say it was made with love. Alright, so this is the vision of what we're kind of going for. I want it to look, what do you call it, like the skeleton of the bike? Okay, so this is sort of what we're going for. I really wanted to have the whole vintage vibe, so I want to have this wicker basket, this seat, and the handles to be a leather material. And after looking at so many colors, I know I wanted it to be pastel. I feel like it's really calming and it's not too bright in your face. So we're probably gonna do that. And then the wheels will be white. This is just an inspo.
I'm coming at the corner.
I see. Why are you so handsome? Baby, this is actually really nice.
I know, I have to fix this. This I'll put the thing so you can adjust it the way you want. I need to fix this a bit because it's a bit wonky.
Yeah.
I'll get you new brakes. I'll change this. It even has gears. Can you believe that?
So there's, I don't know what this is called. And then we have these are keys, no?
No, these are more keys. These are screws.
Screws. We got this. And then I don't know what this is either. Oh, this is like a screwdriver.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the before. So we bought this off of Wallapop for
60 euros.
60 euros.
And I'm gonna make it worth $3,000.
Yeah, so this is the before. And we'll be working on this for the next couple of months. It's gonna be my birthday present actually.
So
Satisfying. No way, that's so cool.
You see how it's coming out already? You see how it's coming, huh?
I'm so happy you found that.
It's because I got mad today and I was like, there must be something that's gonna make it easier.
Okay, so it's raining a little bit outside. Not even really, it's actually just drizzling. But here we have my lovely husband. He's working on my bike. So yeah, basically he's now dismantled it to the point where this is where we're at.
And I can remove the small pieces.
Mm-hmm.
I will take a scrubber to sand it a bit to make it smooth, and we're ready for painting.
Yeah, this is amazing. pass me that light pink. Oh, it's because they also have this.
I know. Verde hoja. But it's kind of. It's kind of.
Guess now I have to decide between these here. This one I rolled out. It's too dark. Okay, so I'm stuck between these two, but I feel like I already have a lot of orange. I'm sorry, a lot of purple things. And this one just makes the most sense because it's so light and like easy to look at, so I don't know. That's so bad. Can you see the other side? What is this? This is the primer?
Yeah.
This is the first step that happens before we start painting it with the actual color that I want. That's the whole bike, pretty much. Done.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I love it. Cute! What do you think?
It's good. I need to give it a second hand in some parts.
To be honest, you can't tell at all on the camera the actual color. Look, like you really can't see the true color. Which is okay because you can see later, but it looks white.
Come and see here.
It looks white, but it's actually pink.
See?
It's beautiful. Yeah, you can't tell the true color. Oh wow, they're really nice actually. They're huge.
These are not gonna work.
No freaking way.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Hey babe.
Da.
Eu cred că cu șurubelnița mai degrabă.
Nu știu. Deci vine așa?
Nu ăla. Ăla, da. L-ai făcut?
Cred.
Nu prea. Ia de acum.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. This is the official reveal of the bike my husband made me. She's gorgeous. She's exactly how I wanted it. This is the color we went with. I don't know if you can fully see it, but we went with light pink. We added these leather seats, leather handles, these flowers he got me for my birthday, and then this cesta. And then I have this little timbre right here. We got it in the color blue because we thought that it'd be a little bit too much, but she's gorgeous and I love her and I love him more.
I love you.
I love you.
So she's here waiting for me. Okay, close your eyes. You're so beautiful. Close your eyes. Come, come. Keep your eyes closed. Come here closer. No. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Open them. Open them. Ah, surprise, baby. I love you. Surprise.
Oh my gosh, baby! Oh my gosh, my love, are you kidding?
Do you like them?
My love, it's like a dream.
I love you.
Oh my gosh, I love you, baby.
Do you like it?
I love you, my love. It's the most precious thing ever. Oh, baby. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna go right around the village and I'm so excited. We're gonna take her out on her first spin. I'm so excited and I'm just waiting for David because he should be coming out of the elevator soon. This is the outfit for today to bike ride. I have these gingham shorts in navy blue, this really pretty top from Piel de Mariposa that I thrifted. I also thrifted this jacket and I just have this jewelry on and my wedding ring and this necklace. But yeah, oh, and these boots which I got from Deutschman, something like that.
Bye. I love you.